it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for some durable, beautiful dining chairs? Well, check out HeuGah's awesome dining chair set.
These slide so easily under our table. They glide on the floor so nicely. And I love not having to lift them up when I move them, but this is perfect for mobility, and these knobs on the bottom keep it from scratching up my floor. My favorite thing about these chairs is the height because I have room between my leg and the table. We have an average size table, and I have enough room to even cross my leg without it pinching the top of the table. So these chairs also are amazing in other parts of our home as accent chairs or a place to lounge or relax, and they look amazing. I love the fact that the height on the back is great for leaning back and getting that comfort. These chairs can hold up to 300 pounds if need be, so I know they're made very well. And the metal part is cool because they go out a little bit and it sticks out a little bit. So if you have kids that like to lean back and fall, well, these are really kid friendly. They look great with different accent colors and can be styled very well because they're so contemporary and new looking. This modern chair is great too because we've dropped tons of food on this green fox leather and it looks brand new still. These bucket seats are so comfortable, easy to sit in for a long period of time. It came with everything we need and was so easy to assemble. These chairs are really unique too with this hand stitching. It almost looks like they were hand stitched, but this adds just so much character as well to these chairs. We love this, and our whole family really enjoys these. They're not big and bulky at all. They are the perfect size. If you want a modern looking style, I definitely like these.
We love these so much and they really are beautiful, and I can imagine them being gorgeous in any space. But that's just my point of view.